Hello everyone, I am Hema Sati Sharma and students we are discussing the chapter called Crop Production and Management for class 8th. We are going to discuss the topic of protection of crop from weeds and pests. For this we need to understand what is weed. Weed are unwanted plants which grow with crops and compete for nutrients and water with the main crops. So here if we have grown a crop and we need some food from that crop, or we need some kind of productivity, and if there are some unwanted plants in between which are taking the water which is given to the crop, or if they are taking the fertilizer which are giving to the crop, so what they are doing, they are finally reducing the productivity of the crop. So weeds are very harmful. Farmers use many ways to remove these weeds and control the growth of the weeds. Process of controlling the weed is called weeding. So weeding is the process in which the weeds are controlled. The best time for the removal of weed is before they produce flowers and seeds, because if you allow weeds to produce flowers and seeds, what will happen? The reproduction of plants will happen and there will be more weeds in the field. So we should remove weeds before they produce flowers and seeds. So we studied that process of controlling the weed is called weeding, and weeding is done either by manually, by uprooting or cutting weeds close to the ground. What we can do, we can uproot the weed from the ground and from the time to time by using a khurpi or by using mechanical machines. Weeds can also be controlled by using some chemical substances. These chemical substances are called weedicides. So wherever we use the term side means to kill. So the chemicals which are used to kill weeds are called weedicides. They destroy the weeds but they do not damage the crop. So here there is selective killing. So here you can see there are few weeds. This is broad leaf weed. This is cyper weed. This is how, with the use of a khurpi, you can remove the weed, or you can remove the weed by spraying weedicides. What are the examples of weedicides? Examples of weedicides are Delapon, Metachlor, Simazin and 2,4-D. This is very important to remember. So please remember the examples of weedicides. Pest. Now what are pests? Pests are the insects or animals that attack crop and damage them. These are few examples of pests: insects, snails, etc. These all are pests. Rats, beavers, squirrels. So to frighten or to scare these pests, we can keep a scarecrow in the field. And otherwise what we can do, we can use pesticides. So here I told you that wherever side comes, that means to kill. So the chemical which is used to kill the pest will be called pesticides. So poisonous chemicals which can be used to control and kill pests as well as their eggs and larvae but do not affect the crop plants will be called pesticides. And what are the example of pesticides? Glyphosate, acephate, Proxcar, metaldehyde, boric acid, diazinon, DDT, malathion, etc. are few examples of pesticide, and please learn the examples of pesticides. In our next lecture, we will be discussing harvesting. Thank you.